Welcome. In this video we will talk about the KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law is one of the fundamental law used for circuit analysis. So here you can see what is the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law says that the algebraic sum of all voltage in any closed loop equal to 0. Or in other words, we can say the applied voltage is equal to the drop voltage in a closed loop. So here you can see, here I have the circuit. If we see the circuit, here is the applied voltage. Applied voltage is 6 volt. Here we have the voltage source and we have the two resistors. The voltage drop will be across these two resistors. So the total voltage drop across these two resistors would be equal to 6, or we can say the sum of voltage, the source voltage plus voltage drop across 1, voltage drop across R2, the sum of all these three voltage must be equal to 0. This is just because of in the closed loop there is no energy loss. So how we can write the equation of Kirchhoff's voltage law? If we consider this voltage like Vs and voltage drop across 1 is VR1 and voltage across R2 is VR2. So we can write like this: Vs is equal to VR1 plus VR2. Here you can see Vs is equal to VR1 plus VR2. Or the second way to write is Vs plus VR1 plus VR2 is equal to 0. So here is the minus sign. So let me explain you why the minus sign is here. So let's go here. The basic principle to write the equation is you start from one point and move to the whole loop and end at this point again. So first you need to consider by yourself, because in the start you don't know what is the direction of current. So let we consider the current flow from this direction to this, means left to right. So I start from this point, I move here, and the current flowing in this loop I consider as I1. So, and the other thing you should know, the entering point of current is in any resistor, capacitor or any component considered as the positive terminal. So if we move from here and first we meet this point, this is the terminal of R1. So we can say that is the entering point of the current. We can say I1 into R1. So here you can see I write I1 into R1, then we go to write plus I1 into R2, I1 into R2, and next if you move and you will meet the negative point of voltage source, so then you need to write minus Vs. So minus 6, that is the equation for our circuit. You can see here I1 R1, I2 into R2, minus 6. So how to find the current in a circuit? So you just combine these two resistance value 2 plus 1, because both are in series. In series you directly can add. That would be the 3 ohm. So using Ohm law, in last video we discussed about the Ohm law, how to find the current. Using Ohm law you directly can find that I is equal to V by R. So that voltage is how much? 6, and the total resistance is how much? Is 3, and then the resultant current will be 2 amps. So using the Kirchhoff's equation, here above is the Kirchhoff's voltage equation. So we can write like this. We can find what is the voltage drop across R1. I we already know, and The resistance we know 1 ohm. I is 2. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2 volts. Plus I is already we know 2 and R2 is 2 ohm here. So 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 minus 6. So that is equal to 0. So you can see 2 plus 4 minus 6, it's become 0. So we prove that this is the proof of the Kirchhoff's voltage law. We prove it is true that the 0 is equal to this side also becomes 0 if you sum this. Minus 6 plus 4 plus 2 is also 0. So let's run the simulation here. Now you can see current is 2 ampere, that we find is also a 2 ampere here, and you can see the voltage drop across this resistor is how much? 6 minus 4 is 2 volt. Here in our equation we already find it's 2 volt. First, and the second resistor is 4 volt, and you can see the voltage drop across this resistor is 4 volt. 4 minus 0 is 4 volt. So in next video we will talk about to solve the complex problem using KCL and KVL and Ohm law together. So about the KCL, that was all about the KCL. Thanks for watching.